Macrotus is a genus of desert-dwelling marsupial omnivores known as bilbies or rabbit bandicoots. They are members of the order Paramelemorphia. At the time of European colonization of Australia, there were two species. The lesser bilby became extinct in the 1950s. The greater bilby survives but remains endangered. Bilbies have a unique appearance and are often described as a cross between a rabbit, a rat, and a bandicoot. They have a long, pointed snout, large, sensitive ears, and a slender, rat-like tail. Bilbies have soft, silky fur that ranges in color from pale blue-gray to dark gray or brown. Bilbies are small to medium-sized marsupials. Their size can vary depending on the species and location, but on average, they have a body length of around 30 to 55 centimeters and a weight of 0.5 to 2.5 kilograms. They are similar in size to a rabbit or a small cat. Bilbies have a slender, agile body with long, pointed ears and a long, thin snout that they use for foraging food. They also have powerful forelimbs that are adapted for digging burrows and searching for food. Bilbies are primarily nocturnal animals, meaning they are active at night and rest during the day. They are solitary animals, except during the breeding season, when they may form pairs or small family groups. Bilbies are agile and fast-moving animals, and they use their powerful forelimbs to dig burrows, which they use for shelter and protection from predators. They have a few natural predators in their habitat. Feral cats are one of the main predators of bilbies. Feral cats were introduced to Australia by European settlers and have become a significant threat to native wildlife, including bilbies. Red foxes are also introduced predators in Australia and are known to prey on bilbies. Dingoes are native predators of bilbies. However, dingoes are less common in areas where bilbies are found due to the introduction of other predators. Some birds of prey, such as wedge-tailed eagles and owls, are known to prey on bilbies. Some snake species, such as brown snakes and tiger snakes, may also prey on bilbies. Bilbies are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. Their diet consists of a variety of food items, including insects, spiders, seeds, bulbs, fruits, and fungi. They use their long, pointed snouts to forage for food in the soil, and their long tongues to collect nectar and pollen from flowers. Bilbies play an important ecological role in their native Australian ecosystems, as they help to control insect populations and disperse plant seeds. Unfortunately, bilbies are threatened by habitat loss, predation by introduced predators such as foxes and feral cats, and competition for resources with other native animals. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and preserve the remaining populations of bilbies. Bilbies are agile and fast-moving animals, but they are not considered to be among the fastest animals in the world. They are known for their ability to run and jump quickly, and their powerful forelimbs enable them to dig quickly into the soil. The top speed of a bilby is not well documented, but they are estimated to be able to run at speeds of up to 16 to 24 km per hour. However, they are more commonly seen moving at a slower pace, as they spend much of their time foraging for food or moving between burrows. Bilbies are not suitable to be kept as pets. In fact, it is illegal to keep bilbies as pets in Australia, as they are a protected species. Bilbies are wild animals that are highly adapted to their desert environment, and they require specific care and living conditions that are difficult to replicate in a home setting. They are also highly active animals that require a lot of space to move and exercise, which is not feasible in a typical home. Bilbies have a unique breeding pattern that is adapted to their desert environment. They typically breed during the wet season, which occurs between January and April in most parts of Australia. During this time, male bilbies will compete for access to females, and dominant males will mate with multiple females. After mating, the female bilby will carry the developing embryo in her pouch for around 12 to 14 days, after which the young bilby, called a joey, will be born. The joey will remain in the mother's pouch for around 70 to 80 days, during which time it will develop and grow. After leaving the pouch, the joey will continue to nurse and receive care from its mother for several weeks. Female bilbies can produce multiple litters in a year, and they are capable of breeding again shortly after giving birth. The exact breeding pattern of bilbies can vary depending on environmental conditions and other factors. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.